Getting started in 80/20 Edge is simple. When you launch 80/20 Edge, the Quick Start Guide will appear. This will give you 3 different options to begin designing in 80/20 Edge. The first item I'd like to discuss is the Quick Start Wizard. This is probably the easiest way to begin designing in 80/20 Edge. If you click on the button, it will ask you, what would you like to build? Now, these are pre-designed, pre-configured applications that you can choose from. Today we'll go ahead and design a simple table. The next thing you'll be asked is how this project will be used in the real world. Say if you're designing something like a coffee table or something that's not going to be bearing too much weight, 100 pounds or less, you can use the light duty 1010 series, which is a 1 inch by 1 inch profile. If you're designing something, say like a workstation or a desk that will be supporting a computer or some kind of countertop, won't be bearing anything more than 150 pounds, then you can use the 1515 Light series, which is 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches in measurement. Now say you'll be using this for a workbench where you'll be putting heavy pieces of machinery or something that has some significant weight, 250 pounds or less, you can use the 1515 series extrusion, which is also 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches. Now we'll go ahead and we'll design a basic workstation today, and we'll go ahead and use a medium duty 1515 Light extrusion. Here we'll be asked, what does it look like? You'll see a few different styles of work tables, workstations, conference tables, or desks that you can choose from. Now in this scenario, we'll choose a 1515 Light desk. Now the next step is to define how large our table will be in inches. Say we'd like a workstation that we'll be standing up at, so we'll make it 50 inches tall. The length, how deep this workstation will be, since this is our front, we'll make this 40 inches. And the width of our desks will be 6 feet, so we'll type in 72 inches. We hit next. Now I've intentionally done this so that we can see the error message. And what it's telling me is that I cannot physically design this table to these specific measurements. That is because the width of our table, which is 72 inches, is now our long side, which we only stock panels that are 4 by 8 sheets. So our height could not physically be 50 inches. So we click OK, and we can adjust our measurements now. We'll say that's 48 inches. We'll make our length 48 inches, and our width will remain at 72 inches, 6 feet. Click Next, and here we see our table has been configured. Now everything is already configured and ready to go, so you can simply come up, click our BOM generator, and you'll see all the cuts and services and bars you'll need to construct this package. It's a nice, quick, easy way to design in 80/20 Edge.